first.
His little sharp teeth.
Oh yeah.
Little sharp teeth.
He's fierce.
Are we getting the separation unit? No.
He's a big boy.
Oh, getting your temperature down. You guys playing out in the dirt? You got
Oh,
dirt
yeah.
all over you.
Oh god, they're so messy. I gave him a bath too. But I probably needed to give him a better bath.
I got you. My thumb. No.
He's so calm about it.
I know you didn't even turn your lip down.
Little Darius.
Good job.
He's a big boy. Good boy, Darius.
Oh. Good job. Good job.
He looked right in the camera when I said his name.
You
Little babe.
see him? Oh. Heart sounds good.
Nice.
It's kind of a sign there.
Cute. He's like, that's a relief.
Lungs sound good.
He remembers you girls are nice to him.
Good job.
He's a good boy. Good boy, Darius.
PR.
150 and 40. I was like, 10, you got the 10.
Or the PR part.
Enough, a little bit of dessert for you too. Didn't even flinch.
He's so tough.
Didn't even flinch.
Tough boy.
Yeah, good job.
Right, this was Darius.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job, Darius.
Which one are you?
This is Zeus.
I'm Zeus. King of the gods, huh?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it looks like you got one in your ear a little bit.
Yep, I noticed that when we got here. I don't know if that happened
Got a little
today.
bite in the ear.
Yeah, they play
Right
rough.
in
Yeah, I think those two kind of compete for alpha.
I see.
A little
Well,
more.
I pulled,
Oh,
one
gosh.
of them pulled on it. I mean, it's sealed. It's not bleeding or anything.
Yeah.
It could have bled at one point.
Gosh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Zeus? Zeus, are you a tough little man? He's too tough.
You too tough?
He's too tough. His ears are so cute.
Good job.
Good boy.
What are you doing, huh? I know that's weird. Already pretty stretched out there. Oh, there we go.
Oh, cutie pie. Gosh, she's so pretty.
Stand you up here.
Yes.
He's like, I don't want to stand.
So I was getting comfortable. This towel matches my collar.
It's pretty close. Good job.
Almost, yeah, slightly off. Oh, those strong little legs.
I'm just feeling one testicle right now for him. It's possible the other one might be kind of up in the inguinal area or up in the groin.
Like it hasn't dropped yet.
Yeah, yeah. I only feel the one right now. This is mine. Oh, that's the same one.
Well, Darius might have you beat for alpha based on that little man.
I know. I gotta listen to you.
He's such a sweetie, though. Look at him giving all those kisses.
You are home. He's like,
Good
you were
boy.
feeling up my backside. What's that about?
Like, at least give me some treats. Oh boy. Yes, he's a sweet puppy.
I know. 130 and 40 for him. You gotta lay down like that? That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Can still get you this way too.
Good boy, Zeus.
Good job. I know. What was that? Something got you. What did you eat?
Oh.
What did you eat?
All right, Zyra's up next. Your turn, honey. She's a sweetheart, too.
Good job. Brothers aren't tugging on your ears.
That's good. That's good. She's pretty tough. But she's sweet.
I think you have to be with me.
Yeah.
Brothers are trying to...
When your brothers are tough like Zeus and Darius,
Right?
you'll get your turn, Zed.
He's like, what about me? Oh, you're tearing apart the puppy pad in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you stinker.
Good job. Good job. Yeah, you slimed you a little.
Oh. Good girl.
I need you to this way. Just a little. Just a little. I know. That feels good, huh? Down backwards here. Good.
Good girl.
Turn over the tail. I promise I'm not sticking in there again. Huh? All right.
Zed. Hang on, little man.
Alright. How's you doing?
All right, Zyra, good job.
Well done.
Zed is up next. Hi, Zed.
Sniffing. Oh yeah, everybody was up here first, huh?
Smell all your
Everybody
puppy,
was up here
your
first,
siblings.
Huh?
Yes.
I'll be gentle with the ears.
Yeah. He's really tough, actually. He's been such a champion through the whole healing process. Good boy. They are, aren't they?
Not doing too bad. Yeah, there's still some scabs on them, but
Yeah, they're healing. They told me to stop with the Neosporin and only clean them once a day, so I feel like the scabs wouldn't be there if I could keep using the Neosporin, but it is what it is.
it just depends on how long it takes the
Yeah.
skin to heal.
Yeah, I respect obviously what they said, so I haven't used it.
The scabs will come off when they're ready.
Yeah,
All right, hold on.
just means we have to wait a little
Scooch
bit.
up a little bit away from the wall.
Pretty soon we'll start posting that handsome little man, posting his little ears. And he's really gonna look like his daddy.
Just trying to keep you from falling.
He's a good boy.
Good job.
Good boy.
You got both. Okay.
They're all a bunch of lovers.
You're pushing yourself off the tower. Yeah.
Yeah, he's has a lot of energy.
Pent up energy.
Oh yeah, even when he eats, he'll kind of shuffle around the dish sometimes. It's so funny. He's just a little ball of love and energy. What are you doing? Good boy, Zed.
That's racing, huh? You're just all excited.
Yeah, he's so
You're
excited.
just all excited. Huh? Oh, my, don't fall off the table this way.
Oh, he's giving tons of kisses.
I know.
What a little lover.
Oh, did they? Huh? Oh, did they? I know. I was listening to
I thought for a second.
you.
He's the squirmiest one, huh?
There we go. Yeah, you were the squirmy one for sure.
Yeah, he has the most energy.
Yeah.
Little man.
Come back from meet these. No.
He's ready to go, go, go. Oh, good boy, Zed. Awesome. Everybody did good today?
Yep.